Hello everybody, happy Wednesday evening. It is Wednesday, yeah. I just wanted to follow up with a couple of conversations that I had today in regards to Court of Queen's Bench listings. So the process is a little bit different if the Court of Queen's Bench has listed the property. So if you go to a property that you want to purchase and it is listed through the courts, if you put an offer on it, you have to have a certified check with your offer. Then that offer will go towards a judge. So there'll be a docket day made, and that docket day is picked in the future. And then anybody else who views the property has until that day to put an offer in as well. And then on that docket day, the judge will pick which property or which offer that he will pick. There was someone in my office who did one earlier this year, and the judge let everybody, like all four offers, know what each offer was prior to picking whatever one he picked. So just be aware of that as well. But it has to be an unconditional offer. So if you need a mortgage, you will be going to the judge with only a pre-approval. So that is very important to know because it's an unconditional offer, and the mortgage companies can't give you a mortgage until they actually have a signed offer. So unlike a traditional mortgage, you put an offer in, you negotiate, you take that offer, you go to the bank, then the bank approves you, and then you remove your financing condition. It's a different process. So you have to take the offer, yeah, kids, you have to have the offer, and then the offer has to be unconditional, which means you buy the property as is, where is. You potentially could do an inspection prior to, but when it goes to the judge, it has to just be, this is the price that I'm buying it for, and the judge will actually pick the purchase price or the purchase possession date as well. So that's important to note as well. You don't get to pick your date. The judge will pick that date, because usually in a Court of Queen's Bench listing, they are still living there. So when you go see the house, they are still there. And again, that's the as is, where is. So if they have couches or anything like that, like, you don't quite know exactly what you're going to get, but you potentially could get a really great deal. So that's the difference with the Court of Queen's Bench. And then there's going to be some bank foreclosures as well that is coming on. I have one client who's looking for those types of properties, and some banks will allow you to have the inspection condition and the financing condition. Yeah, so that's the difference between them. So if you're ever wondering what a Court of Queen's Bench listing is and how that works, it's an unconditional offer. So if you need financing, you go to the judge with just the pre-approval versus actually the condition saying that they'll give you the mortgage. So thanks for listening. I hope that answered some questions. I hope you have a great Wednesday. Have a good day. Bye.